It's been a while since we've featured a new property for sale in Baguio City. All the 6 properties we've previously featured with a house tour have already been sold. After that, we halted for 3 years due to the low volume of properties listed under our care. We are back this 2025. We have several properties on the market and we're working on the improved version of our house tour style. More informative, better view and angles, and more relevant to what you are looking for in a house tour. So if you have any property in Baguio that you need help with selling, please comment on this video or contact us directly so we could further assist you. In addition, we've expanded our territory and scope on property locations. We are now accepting property selling assistance with other locations in northern Luzon. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get ahead of other buyers who are looking to buy their next property in Baguio City.